Hi everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to create another Diwali makeup look, and for this we are going to use the Dazzler makeup kit. So this is the Dazzler's Grand Glam makeup kit, and you have around 15 makeup products as a part of this kit. So today let's go ahead and create a beautiful Diwali makeup look with this Dazzler Cosmetics. Cost of this makeup kit is around 1300. You will get some discounts as well, but for 15 makeup products 1300 is a really affordable price. The quality is also really great from Dazzler. We've seen multiple products from Dazzler, which is really good. So today let's go ahead and try all the products which are part of this kit and see how the outcome is and how good it will suit the Diwali. So let's get started. So as I said, there are 15 makeup products as a part of this kit, and one of it is the nail polish. So I got 2 nail polish as a part of this kit. So these 2 are the nail polish. So one is a nice pink color and the other one is a red shade. So the pink is one which I'm wearing, which is really good. The color is really nice and subtle. I really liked it. So that's one of the products. So 2 products are nail polish in this. And the rest of the products are the makeup products. So let's start with the primer. So this is the Dazzler's mini primer, and this is the Pristine Finish Mattifying Long Stay Primer. So let's go ahead and try this first. So this is how it is. It will give you a nice matte finish because I think this is that silicone based primer which covers your pores and everything, and it gives a nice mattifying finish. Okay, so that is a really good primer. It's it's giving a nice finish and it is mattifying. So the next product is the foundation. So this is the moisturizing liquid makeup with sunscreen, and I have the shade Cream, which is a part of this makeup kit. So this makeup kit is a shade Cream. So I think there are 2 other shades. But I received this Cream makeup kit. So let me go ahead and try this. So this is how the foundation is. So it's coming with this type of a spatula. So let me apply it. So it is liquid based, and I'm really not sure if the shade is going to suit me, but let's go ahead and try it. So this is a very lightweight, water based, liquid based, foundation. So it's blending in really well. So the shade is more like an orangish shade. It is blending in and it's giving that kind of a glow to your face. But coverage wise, it's just giving a light to medium coverage. Okay, so that's how the finish you get. As I said, it's giving you a light coverage, and the shade is okay. Once you blend in, it's kind of getting settled. But coverage wise, it is a very light to medium coverage. So the next product is the classic compact powder, and this is also the shade Cream. I think the Cream shade is more for a light skin tone, but the foundation still seems to give you an orangish finish, so I'm not sure. But the compact, I feel it's a very lighter shade, so I will use a powder brush instead of the the sponge which comes in it. So as you can see, it's more like a white shade rather than any kind of a tinted shade. So to set your foundation, I think this will go well. Okay, so I think this has neutralized the orangish finish it gave with the the foundation. So yeah, this is pretty good. So let's do some eye makeup now, and as a part of this kit you also get an eyebrow pencil. So first let's do a little bit of eyebrows. So this is a black colored eyebrow pencil. You get it along with the sharpener here. So I'll just do it very light because my eyebrows are already thick enough. So I'll just give it a little bit of shape to it. So I haven't done my eyebrows for quite some time, so it's not in the right shape. Okay, so this is pretty okay, but I would prefer a brown shade than black for my eyebrows. So next, let's do the eyeshadow part, and this is a small eyeshadow palette which you get along with this, and you have around 4 shades, which is like colorful, and these are the shades. So I'll just create some kind of a subtle eye makeup, which is more of a pinkish finish. So you also get this small brush, but I will be using my eyeshadow brush. So I'll use this shade as a a transition shade because I want it more of a pink first. So let me just create that transition shade. Okay, now I'll take the pink one. Okay, so that's like a simple eye makeup which is giving a kind of a pinkish finish. I will apply it only in the corners because mine is a hooded eye. I do not use much eyeliner. And I am applying it very close to my lash line. Okay, so the eyeliner is really good. It's quite pigmented. So this is the ITEX Dazzler, very famous one among almost everybody in India. So next we'll move on to the kajal. So this is again the Dazzler's kajal. So this is the kajal and it's black. So let's use it now. This one is also quite pigmented. You can see the difference here. So the kajal is really great. So after a long time I'm applying the kajal so thick so it can showcase my eyes better, and this one is really good. It's nicely pigmented. You can see here how well the eyes are showcased. Next, let's do the mascara, and for that again it's the Dazzler's mascara. So I like the packaging of this. It's really cute. So that one is also pretty good. Now let me take a little bit of more of the eyeshadow and I'll apply it in the lower corners and in the inner corners just to give that highlighted look. I'll use the same pink shade. Okay, so that's with the eye makeup. I really love the finish of the eye makeup which I got, especially the kajal mascara part. Next, let's move on to the lipstick. So you get 2 lipsticks as a part of this kit. So one is this bullet lipstick, which is of shade electric pink. So this is a nice, pink shaded lipstick. And you also have a liquid lipstick, which is of shade cocoa. So this is a nice brown shade. So what I'll do is first I'll line my lips with this brown shade and I'll fill in with the pink one. So this is a nice matte finish liquid lipstick, and the shade is also pretty good. It's a nice brown shade, so for daily use this will be really great is what I feel. Next I'll use the lipstick to fill in the pink one. Okay, I really like this combo of the brown liner and the pink one, so that's pretty good. Now what I'll do is I'll just use a little bit more of this pink as a blush. So I'll just take a little bit in my fingers and I'll apply it here so you get that blush. Okay, so that's giving a nice finish. So as a part of this kit, you get these 2 products as well. So this is the ITEX Pallavi Kumkum. This is the spot kumkum, and you also get this Divya Kumkum where you have all these colorful kumkum available. So today I'll just use the bindi part of it, and I'll just create a bindi look with this the Divya Kumkum. Okay, that's kind of okay. And the last product, you also get this sindoor. So this is the ITEX Pallavi Mangal Sindoor. So let's use this as well. Okay, so that's where I've used all the products. This is the completed makeup look with the Dazzler's Grand Glam makeup kit, and I really loved it. All the products are really great. It gives you a really good finish. I may not have created the bindi really well, but however, you can create really good, bindi makeup with the products which are there in this kit. So this is a really great affordable makeup kit which you should definitely give it a try. The products are really great. So that is a completed look, and I hope you liked it, and I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.